I'm going to show you how you can do the 3 easy pen spinning tricks. The first one is the thumb around. The second one is the triangle pass. And the third one is the charge. The first one is the thumb around. It looks like this. So you hold the pen like this. You are going to create the pressure with your middle finger pushing in that direction. Step 2, you are going to release the pen from the index finger. So remove the index finger. And step 3 is you need to let the pen roll around your thumb and then catch. So create the pressure, release, catch. Second trick is the triangle pass. It looks like this. So the way you learn this trick is you're going to start slowly. You're going to start in this position and then you're just going to learn to shift the pen through the fingers like this. Then you're just going to learn to speed this up a little. And then eventually you're going to speed up. And that's when the pen will go all the way to the top. And then you just need to follow the momentum with your fingers. And the third trick is called the charge. You're going to create the pressure pushing with your ring finger. You're going to release the pen from wherever you're holding it with your thumb. So create the pressure, release the pen, and then just follow that motion, and you can stop for the beginning. But then after you master this motion, you're just going to continue doing that. That's the charge. Thank you for watching. I have full tutorials about pen spinning on my channel. I will put the playlist here so you can watch it. Thank you.